Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable SafeSearch in Chrome to filter explicit content from your Google search results, follow these step-by-step instructions to create a safer browsing experience. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and navigate to google.com. Step 2. Click Settings in the bottom right corner of the Google homepage. Step 3. In the Settings menu, look for SafeSearch filters and click on it. Step 4. Select Filter Explicit Results to enable SafeSearch. This will help block inappropriate content from appearing in your search results. Step 5. If you want to lock SafeSearch to prevent changes, scroll down and click Lock SafeSearch. Step 6. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account to enable this feature. Step 7. Once signed in, SafeSearch will be locked, and only someone with access to your Google account can change these settings. Step 8. To verify that SafeSearch is working, perform a test search and check that explicit content is filtered from the results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.